GRIP2 damper, you kind of like have to set their low speed compression, high speed compression, clockwise and anti-clockwise, that you can tune to set your preference. But it depends on your riding style. So if your riding style is more to cross country, XC, XC, XXO, like our regular trail over here in Bukit Timah, or can reach cross country, or T15 maybe. So the setting will be a bit more subtle, slow rebound, very such a high rebound. But it depends on your preference. My preference and your preference are different. High speed, low speed rebound, high speed, low speed. So these are up to your preference. And another thing that I learned is that whatever setting you have on the fork, it correlates with your tire pressure. So if you have a Maxxis tire, which again I mentioned, it has a thicker sidewall. Those popular ones, I wouldn't want to name names or model. Those popular ones will have a thicker sidewall. Thicker sidewall will have a different parameter of damping, because it can absorb more. Then probably your setting will be different. Then if your tire pressure is very high, then the feel is different. So it all boils down to all the front section is all interconnected with each and every one of the component that we mentioned just now. The damper, the shock, your setting, the tire pressure, how much you have, and the sag, how much you actually do. So for me, I always before each ride, okay, I'll make sure my tire pressure is set 12 hours before. That means you're going to ride in the morning, set everything that you feel you want it. Okay, I also keep a list, okay, on the note. Alright, so this tire pressure, what are the possible setting that will make your ride comfortable, ideal. Okay, it is not perfect, but you have to have a base target of what you want to achieve for that particular ride. If let's say you want to do jumping, say you want to come here over at Kent Ridge, you want to play some berms, some little jumps, okay, some tabletops, then the setting will be different. But for me, I'm not a jumper, so I wouldn't want to mess out so much. So it's just cross country climb, which you think you will be will make your climb more efficient with least effort. So that's very important. You need a tire to track all the roots and rocks. Need to track, so you have a very efficient climb. You can go fast flow downhill, fast flow, okay, with good berms. Then you just open everything up, just boom. Then it will be very, very nice. Okay, so that's my bike check for now. We will do another bike check once we have new component. Don't tell the wife. New component to be installed to the bike. So for the time being, I'm so happy, I'm stoked to have this setup here. I'm not a techie, nerdy kind of guy. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share if you like this video. Okay, smash up that button, click on the notification. So that's it.